Hi, I'm Steven with Wire Ninjas, and today we're going to be showing you how to terminate a Cat6 Punchdown keystone done the proper way. Step 1. Strip the jacket just enough. Keep the jacket close to the keystone so the termination has support. Next, check the wiring map on the keystone. You'll see T568A and T568B. We're building T568B. Now untwist the conductors, but only what you need. Keep the pairs twisted tight. Now start seating each conductor into the slot, matching the T568B coloring. Keep the twist tight right up until the slot. Don't straighten everything out. As you work, make sure each wire is fully down in the channel and following the coloring map. If the wire is fighting you, pull it out and reseat it. Don't force it. Once all conductors are set, punchdown time. Make sure the cutting blade side is facing the excess wire so it trims clean. Punch straight down, one clean hit per wire. Close it up, quick check, clean trims, no stray copper, and jacket support right near the termination. That's how Wire Ninjas terminates punchdown keystones. Clean work, built right, built once. Thank you for watching and subscribe for more.